Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical wall ovens, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from wall ovens, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wall ovens from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Empava 24-inch Electric Single Wall Oven, 2.5 cubic feet, stainless steel. The Empava 24-inch Electric Single Wall Oven is designed to make cooking large meals a breeze, with its 2.3 cubic feet capacity and premium stainless steel finish. Featuring bake and broil functions, it offers versatile cooking options and includes a broil element to brown desserts and veggies to perfection. The hidden heating elements make cleaning simple, while the Keep Warm feature ensures your meals stay hot and ready to serve. With an ergonomic control knob and a built-in timer up to 120 minutes, you can easily manage your cooking. The 3-layer tempered glass door provides safety, while the large oven window and halogen lighting give you a clear view of your dish without needing to open the door. This oven is compatible with Empava 24 to 30-inch gas and induction cooktops and is backed by a 2-year US-based warranty, ensuring excellent quality and performance for your kitchen. Number 2. AMZCHEF Single Electric Wall Oven with Convection Feature for Cooking. The AMZCHEF Single Electric Wall Oven with Convection Feature is a compact and efficient solution for any kitchen, offering a 2.2 cubic foot capacity that's perfect for small spaces. Designed with convection technology, this wall-mounted oven provides 4 cooking modes to ensure even and precise cooking results. It comes with a broiler pan and 2 racks, allowing for proper air circulation under food for thorough baking and roasting. The built-in cooling fan helps keep the exterior cool, ensuring safety during use, while the rapid defrost function makes preparing frozen foods quick and convenient. Featuring a digital clock and oven light, you can monitor your meals effortlessly for perfect timing and visibility. Crafted with durable stainless steel for a sleek modern look, this electric oven is both stylish and functional. With over 90 years of trusted experience, AMZCHEF delivers affordable, high-quality appliances for every home. Number 3. AMZCHEF Single Wall Oven 24-inch. Built-in electric ovens with touch control. The AMZCHEF Single Wall Oven is a sleek, 24-inch built-in electric oven that combines functionality and style for your kitchen. With a generous 70-liter capacity, this oven features convection cooking, ensuring uniform heat distribution for perfectly baked goods every time. Powered by 240-volt 60 Hz, it offers a maximum output of 2,800 watt for fast preheating and consistent cooking result. The oven includes 8 automatic programming modes such as pizza, bread, cake, and chicken leg modes, allowing you to easily cook your favorite dishes with just one touch. The multifunctional timer and safety lock provide added convenience and security, while the modern polished stainless steel finish complements your kitchen decor. With a 1-year warranty and 24-hour customer service, AMZCHEF ensures reliability and support for your appliance. Upgrade your kitchen with this user-friendly, efficient, and stylish electric wall oven. Number 4. Thermomate 24-inch Single Wall Oven ETL Certified 5 Cooking Functions. The Thermomate 24-inch Single Wall Oven is a sleek and reliable addition to any kitchen, offering 5 cooking functions including broiling, baking, grilling, and keeping food warm. It features a sensor probe that precisely monitors the internal temperature, ensuring optimal cooking conditions with a maximum temperature of 480 degrees Fahrenheit. This oven is designed for ease of use and maintenance, with an enamel cavity and baking tray for durability and corrosion protection. The 3-layer tempered glass door locks in heat and ensures safety by isolating high-temperature steam. Its anti-mistouch knob with a light ring offers easy control and prevents accidental activation. The removable oven door allows for quick cleaning, while the spacious interior with a clear window lets you monitor your food with ease. Perfect for any kitchen, this ETL-certified wall oven combines style, performance, and practicality for a seamless cooking experience. Number 5. GASLAND 24-inch Electric Wall Oven 12. Cooking functions with touch control. The GASLAND 24-inch electric wall oven is designed to elevate your cooking with its 12 cooking functions, perfect for baking enthusiasts and chefs alike. With options such as defrost, bake, broil, convection roast, and even rotisserie broil, this oven provides versatile cooking capabilities. The 3D convection system ensures fast preheating and even cooking by circulating heated air over, under, and around your food. Its 73-layer large capacity can accommodate multiple dishes, while the 5-layer shelf provides flexibility for grilling and baking. Enjoy a perfectly roasted chicken or ribs with the 360-degree rotisserie function, making you a master roaster. The 3-layer tempered glass door ensures safety and energy efficiency, while the touch control panel offers a sleek and modern interface. ETL certified with a 1-year warranty and lifelong technical support, this oven is both stylish and reliable, making it the ideal choice for your kitchen. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.